Hey everybody, in this video I've got a Schlage Deadbolt, and we're going to locksmith it. So while I'm doing this, don't forget to like and subscribe, of course. The subscribers matter. And it's just a Schlage Deadbolt without a key. So, got the deadbolt here. Pull the tail piece off. V10 spring. And we're going to take our shim. And pull the blank out. One position at a time here while pushing our shim in. Sometimes Schlage, they can be kind of a pain occasionally, but good thing about it is every pin you get, there's one less that you have to pick. So if you do get in a couple of pins, you can usually put a pick in there and get it the rest of the way. Just trying to be kind of gentle here because I don't want to pull the whole thing out since there's no cap on the end of it. There it goes. Little rocket in there. Get our shim out of there. Probably time to use a new shim too. I tend to use those things for, I guess, sometimes years. Gentle with them. Actually, it doesn't really matter what the bitting is on this. We'll just dump those out. And here's the key we're going to change it to. And it's being high functioning, got the pins out already. And like I say, don't forget to subscribe since that counts now, like I mentioned earlier. Okay, so we got it pinned up to our new key. And I'll just reassemble it real quick here before the camera dies. Detent, the detent spring, the detent tail piece for our sure our tail piece starts in the right spot, and cap on there, and our wiser cap tool. And you're putting these things on, and it kind of goes tight as it'll go, and we'll just back it off one. Keys here tried out. Alright, I like that. And drop it back in our housing here. need to get another electric screwdriver. The one I had in the house after like 15 years died. And I guess I got my money's worth out of it. Okay, just racing the camera here. Alright, let's get that back together. And just need just one turn here. Alright, like that, nice and smooth. And oh, now it's just ready to be installed back on the door and good to go. So that will do it for this video, and we'll talk to everybody later.